The storm before the wind, the night before the storm, the calm before the storm. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Shannon Glam. Today we're going to be doing a Kylie Jenner makeup that she recently posted on her Instagram, part of the Weather Collection inspired by her cute little baby Stormi that we actually saw on her IG story. If you guys haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like, share, be part of the notifications gang, and we will begin. We're gonna go with the L'Oreal. This is in the color brunette. For the most part, the eyebrows are super thin. I just think it needs to be a little bit darker, so we're gonna go in with Kylie Cosmetics Tinted Brow Pomade in the color brunette. I'm gonna take an angled brush, and the angled brush that I have here is the Wet n Wild angled brush. Take a little bit, follow the same direction that I already penciled in. Like, who doesn't like Kylie Jenner, really? The fact that you kept your pregnancy as private as possible when you're such a big public figure, like, props to you, you know? You put your baby foot number one. Stormi was like, thank you, mommy, thank you. I just need to brush it out because it can't be that boxed looking. I'm gonna just clean that up with a little bit of concealer. I'm gonna place a little bit on it. Okay, a lot of it. Make sure there's like a little point, just like the picture. With the warmth on your fingertip, it'll kind of like blend in better into your skin. You don't have to use your finger, you can still keep on using the brush, especially for the germaphobes. Try not to box this in so much, the beginning part, because it's more rounded if you look at the picture. This look has a whole lot of color. For that color to just stick on and stay and be super vibrant, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre, and I'm just gonna place that all over the lid. My transition color, Paper Tiger, and this is from ColourPop. I'm gonna be using the NYX Go-To palette Indispensable. The green I'm going to use is from the same exact palette. This color here, which is pictured as, it just says number 2, it just says numbers in the back. I'm going to place it on my lid. This looks really nice. I've been meaning to use this palette for so long. I literally took the plastic off right now. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So cute, so cute. Look at this color. Can you appreciate this color with me? My NYX palette doesn't have black, so I'm going to use my Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. Color Abyss, the black one. I always use this black. Concentrate on the outer corner right here. Create that smoky eye. Ooh, too much. We'll fix it. All right, now with a clean brush, MAC 211, I'm just gonna blend it out so it's not so harsh. It looks as if she has a little bit of gold on one side, but then it's like white on this side. So girl, you tripping me out. We're gonna use the NYX Glitter Golds in the color gold, literally gold. This is part of the makeup that NYX hooked me up with. You guys could go check that video out. Really cool thing about this glitter kit is that it comes with the glitter primer. Place it in the area that you want to put the glitter. For now, we're gonna leave the eyes like that, and I'm gonna add some foundation. The foundation that I've been using lately is the Estee Lauder Perfectionist Youth Infusing Serum. Kylie Jenner is mad young. Maybe this foundation will get us to that. No? Oh, you know what I forgot? Primer. As of lately, don't judge. I've been using the Tom Ford sample that I still have and place it all over my skin. I could just feel the expensiveness just seeping into my skin. Now I can go in with my foundation. And shout out to Kylie Jenner for being so young and just making money move out here with Cardi B's theme song. I am going to be using my Maybelline Age Rewind. We want all that youthfulness that Kylie Jenner has and just placing it on the high points of my skin, any area that I want to bring light to it. She is everywhere. Now that we look cray cray, I'm just gonna blend this out. Kat Von D Lock It Translucent Powder, and obviously this is the sample size. I'm like searching to see what translucent powder I should get. If you guys have ones that you absolutely love, can you guys let me know in the comment section. Now we're gonna contour. And although her skin looks effortlessly put together, she definitely still does have a contour. Placing the bronzer up to here. Everything from here to here, and obviously at a diagonal. She has a lot on this area here. If you look at the picture, here's a question for you guys. Do you guys prefer Kardashians or Jenners? Which one? Mama Jenner is basically holding it down for the Jenners. This picture is inspiring me to just change up my whole makeup routine. I'm gonna contour my nose with the same exact bronzer color. I could just go in with this Real Techniques brush. Her nose is sitting, it is perched. I'm gonna use just a little bit of blush. I'm using my Luminoso, which is currently my fave. All right, that's good, that's good, that's good. We're not gonna go ham. I'm gonna use my Anastasia Glow Kit that I've been using lately. Does it highlight, just like bring the whole look together? I never went in with the underneath color. Okay, I'm gonna use my Morphe palette, and I'm gonna use this color here, and this color here, which is Abyss, Diva, and Enchanted. I'm using Enchanted first. Now I'm using Diva. Use my all-time favorite NYX 2-timer. The mascara that I will be using is Bad Gal Bang. When they say it's lightweight, it literally is lightweight. I love this baby. And it makes my eyelashes so long. She has a super natural look. So I'm just gonna use a NYX lip liner. Make sure you overdraw your lips to get that Kylie effect. No, I'm just kidding. She just has a little gloss on her lips, so that's exactly what we're gonna do. Finish it off with a setting spray, and the setting spray I'll be using today is the Urban Decay All Nighter. That concludes the video, guys. Me recreating Kylie Jenner's basically Instagram picture that they used for the promotion for the new weather collection. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys. Why does Kylie Jenner's baby have better eyebrows than I do?